my name is Savannah Jacobs and I will be demonstrating how to use a micropipetter. So right here we have our micropipetter and we have a micropipetter tip, and we're going to gently attach the tip onto the micropipetter as so. And then the next step is to check that we are set to the right volume that we are going to be pipetting. So today we're going to be doing 10 milliliters. Okay. And then we are going to depress the plunger to the very first stop, just the first stop. And then we're going to put the tip of the pipetter into the liquid, but not all the way to touching the bottom. And then we are going to release the plunger, which will draw our liquid into the pipetter. And then we are going to gently pull it out of our solution or liquid. And we're going to transfer the pipette to the new container, which is this one right here. We're going to touch the pipette tip to the side of the container. And then we're going to depress the plunger entirely to make sure that we get all of the liquid out, which is the second stop. And then we're going to take the pipette tip out of the container before we release the plunger, and then we will release the plunger. And then you are going to want to dispose of the pipette tip in the correct container. And since we don't have the correct container here today, we are going to be using this graduated cylinder. So this is the ejector where you're going to just carefully eject the tip into our container. And that is how you use a micropipetter.